to subscribe and help the channel get to 150,000 subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Dango. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Magezi 0. I'm joined by Kira Walikosi.
Awe Sibo.
Kira Walikosi.
Sure, Grant.
Dango.
Hey, Baba, man, is ibuhlungu encindi zakho man, le mpama zakho. But anyway, Sibo, ngifuna ukuthi congratulations kuMajita ngokuthi abuye necup le Egypt, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Then ngithi congratulations futhi kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi athathe ileague for the lokho angisakwazi or rehab or yini, but mina ngibona icup abantu phakamisile. Kusho wena mina ngikwazi. Guys, guys, ngicela ningihloniphe ngoba mina ngibona icup baliguga lana. So ngoba lalela into ama supporters sometimes mhlambe adenka ngenye indlela. Le cup eliphakanyiswe la namuhla ngeMamelodi Sundowns, kusasa kuzabe Chiefs. Nini kube Pirate, the same cup, you understand? Lona leli. So bazofila njani mangabe seliphakanyiswe yibo bakhulume lezi zinto abayikhulumayo. You understand? So sometimes awumelanga into enilwela nibaningi uyikhulume kabi ngoba sayilwela sonke yabo. Yeah, ukuthi ufailile ungalitholi ungabi nomona. Isho ukuthi congratulations abantu bawini. Bathatha icup. Stibo ngiyezwa abantu mhlambe mina angifundanga, I'm not well educated, abanye ba well educated, but ohlakaniphile osmart njengami uzoyi understand lento engifuna ukuyisho lapha. Ngizwa abantu bathi iSundowns ithatha ileague kwes8 in a row. You understand? But according to me, le league abayithathe namuhla the first time. You understand? Yabona iPSL ne mina ngokwami iPSL ngifanisa nendlo ne kule ndlo le kunama room, different room, kune lentuzana kune thula kune lentuzana iBlack Label, kune Nedbank. You understand? Bese kuba ne top 8, then kuba ne lentuzana ne top 8 ne. Then kuba ne Betway. You understand? Lama ngifanisa njengama room. Then iSundowns iyathatha iDStv, iDS league le DStv league yokhona. Guy 7. You understand? Mayiqeda yaqopha. Yavalwa, you understand? And ayikho i-team eyayithatha ngaphandle kweSundowns kaba yiyo yayithatha kayi7 yavalwa. Mayivalwa yafakwa aside ne ngaqhamuka iBetway. You understand? iBetway yafika. Mayifika yeza necup yalo kungakho li different nalele DStv. Le DS
but akusi league.
Lalela ngisafuna ukukutshela. Then mayifika yathatha lapha yana. Yathatha ileague. You understand? Sithibo ungangibuza umsangano ngoba like ngifuna ukutshela into eyi1. No. Lalela mawuthi akusi league ne. Lalela mawuthi akusi league mina ngavumelana ileague Sithibo, but i problem iDS ne Betway azifani lezo zinto. No, lalela.
Remember, no, Killer. Let me tell you something,
guys, angena ku interview yakho bengibeka phansi
Majita ileague bayithathe kangaki?
na
Ileague bayithathe kangaki?
yipi league khuluma yipi
No ileague.
yipi league
Soccer League. Premier Soccer League.
Madod khona ilalela inkinga yenu enconfuseayo i1 guys iDStv neBetway akufani
But remember,
zihlukile lezo zinto lalela Sithibo ne ukhila lona ne ukhila lo uyangunderstand indlebe leli amehlo umlomo konke kula kukhila understand so uma bangangisusa uma bangangicampula inyawo ne balikhipha balibeke lapho then bangifake le plastic yes bangifake le plastic sase inyawo lakhila lela
no ngicela ukuza something ukhila lo qoke isikhipa seChiefs segapa ne kusasa mawumona qoke isikhipa seNike asukhila lo. Remember, it's the Premier Soccer League under the sponsorship. Only what changes the sponsorship. That means Chiefs are in a
mina ngine good example. Befave Chiefs lo. Manje ukusikhukhuni.
Still Chiefs. No uTabs, still uTabs. Still uTabs. Still uTabs.
Inkinga mina support wena. Yazi bathini? Le cup ivule namhlanje yes kungakho bebalifikile kungakho libona la league
it is the PSL Premier Soccer League
lalela
South Sweden guy won
Majid
Chiefs asangya wina mali
iSundowns le cup le elithathe namuhla uqala kuyi-1 yes kuyi-1 yes yes kuyi-1 iligi yani lalela mangahlanganisa le DStv bese ngihlanganisa naleya namuhla ngingathi kayi-8 in a row mangabe ngihlanganisa naleya namuhla bathi ndodo uSikhosane noShabalala bahlukile abafana okay okunye mpintshame alright okunye mpintshame okay iliki ke ngivumelana nawe ngoba ufuna ngivume mara into eksalayo uma ungabuza umntwana omncane ukuthi iBetway ayithathwe kayingaki bazokutshela ukuthi kayi-1 mangabe ubuzwa even nomntana omncane uyangunderstand bese bakuthi DStv bathi kayi-7 ubuze ukuthi yiphi team bathi yiphi team bathi Mamelodi Sundowns manje phuma lapho
umntwana makathi ke iligi
imoto zonke imoto mara khona iBM khona in mara kusalayo lalela ngifuna ukutshela lalela mpintshama umoshela interview yami ngoba manje ubhiza ngikhulumela umsangano engawuzwa yabo
le cup
bakaniya bami kancane ama minutes ayahamba njalo solo ngikhulumisa into engekho la lalela mpintshama kune chest pain ebakhona ebantwini uyangunderstand le chest pain ngikhumbula mangithi mina iPirate ayisoze ithatha ileague iKaizer Chiefs ingakathathi ileague bathi mina ngiyagula ekhanda babhizi bathi ngikhumbula uPhD athi uma Sundowns ifuna ukuthatha ileague kumele baye kuPSL bocela ama point wara ya kuya ama game kuze bazothatha ileague ngoba bona is win
we don't lose
yeah namuhla ngidlana mfethu ngisuka ePulukwane izolo ngiza ngo supporting abafana bami namuhla ngila mengizokwenza ukuthi kahle Mamelodi Sundowns ngabe yile yayocela ama game amona uyangunderstand so gale nduzana kanjalo guys uPhD ningasamthathi serious PhD yeah ningamthathi serious uPhD is the same nomuntu opamba amamiliyoni uyangunderstand awadle wonke ayiblonga yes
tinyakhanye
angomphakeli uyabona Sithibo ayidle ayicede leyo mali ne makaceda automatically ziya uyangunderstand uzambona athinta la ngoba akasekho mna once waba namamiliyoni wawadla kamhlapha awusaphilanga kwenzakala that is why uma ungathatha iPhD ya PhD ase ya 50 years
akasona PhD uthami
uthe Chiefs angeke izidobhenes ngoba thina sipepereza kakhulu njengama abantwana abaku crash what ku level yani
Graduation.
yabo isathatha ndini Nedbank and sayithatha straight game you understand sayithatha straight game what is Sundowns kumele iyocela ama point kuze izothatha ileague kenzakalani namuhla la uzothi uzoyibona njani ngoba seyihambile it's gone mfethu ihambile you understand so izinto ezinjalo uzozithatha kanjani ukuthi umuntu noma ngadlala ngeke asafika athi mina nginama game in hand igame in hand mfethu kufana nokuthi ushela intombi ayikakakomi leyo ntombi awazi ukuthi izakuqoma ora ngeke ungazibali lezo zinto aphi manje ene uPhD mngani wami uyabona umuntu makadle imali esithumasho wayiceda mngani wami ngisakutshela naloko umngani wami woza la mngani wami
Nango. Sala PhD.
Uthi kungena ba
Mara utswana litso you blew it.
guys please guys uPhD ningamthathi serious akasekho right uphelile kumele ayidownload kabusha next year mhlawumbe izobuya kangcono uPhD uceda imali wayidla budlapha and manje the way angakhona umuntu onjalo mfethu ukwatela wonke umuntu akasekho normal pinjam next time makabuyele esikolweni la walanda khona le PhD abatshela ukuthi ngicela imali yami ngoba nangiropa ayisebenzanga ndise zonke izinto yazikhulumile iyephi cup mngani wami
icup league konje who was having the league angithi ungalahlekela into onganayo ungakhohlwa ukuthi the champion of PSL bokuyi Sundowns so iye kuphi angithi still with them so kanti what changed
Nothing changed.
Esibo
so were we having the cup
Esibo
No,
the only team uyabona
I know from a Kaizer Chiefs fan this can be deep. Yes, it's so easy to understand.
lalela Sibo kule lalela mfuna ukutshela something ukuthi ngiyayithola noma ngiyithola ungangeni lapho mfuna ukutshela something ne uyabona the only team la eMzansi ne ezophazamisa iSundowns ku league iKaizer Chiefs.
Oh shit!
Temuta ayikho enye team ezophazamisa iSundowns kule 10 years mfethu iChiefs isalele bebenzani bona
There's one guy. Ati
benzani bona
Ati Ribeiro. Will akena cup esiyakuyo. You don't know the cup.
Pirate
But
ke
I will tell for you. Ulumfana bathi ulisiho. Ulisiho. But the cheese boy. Cheese boy. I will tell for you. I will tell for you.
akekho umlandeli weKaizer Chiefs angabehave kanje akekho umlandeli weKaizer Chiefs
Sundowns.
Why the tournament ya Nedbank? The player of the tournament ya Nedbank. Ki referee engwe le ngwe ne I refa game ya Chiefs. Every ref.
lalela mpijama lalela mpijama umenzi uyakhohlwa umenziwa akakhohlwa kunini athatha amakhapu ngolontuzana ngo-number 10 wakhe uTom lapha ashaya iSundowns kunini
Ngoba se uku top 6 ungathi so uya ku top 10 no
lalela ungangibuze top 10 or top 8 ungibuze after igame ya Saturday ukuthi ngikuphi
unikile man
unike bani
usukunikile lo khamba bona wena
amara ma-chess pain bafethu Sundowns ngiyabonga Sundowns thanks bafethu ukuthi niphulele le PhD le yabona angithi mina ngishayile ithi nginikile icup ileague ilihlulekile lalela Tabza Thula wena ngoba i-team yakhe ayikazi ithathe next ayikazi ithathe next inkosi yami ayina okay mpintshi yami ima kancane ngicela ungibekezelele kancane safuna ukutshela le ntwana le
Remember when you fail against the biggest, you'll come to me.
Kumele sifa.
yeah
Kumele sifa.
mara
Ene mani vala Steve.
Sibo bathi 10 years without trophy iChiefs igcine nini uthathe itrophy
10 years ago.
10 years ago ngeyi-10 ngiceda ukuthatha icup
Remember, they still need to wait another 10 years to win another trophy.
wena ulinda how many years wena
Bafethu ngicela ukuyiva.
wena ulinda how many years but anyway anyway ngithi majita ami ama-Kaizer Chiefs amahle abafana bami lalela Saturday guys sobe silapha e-FNB sidlaya abantu i-Kaizer Chiefs ayipheli moya
Asivale so.
we don't lose we don't draw likiro ingakankane win
We're cruising nicely.
we are lonely at the top
We are cruising nicely.
Danko.